everyone, I hope you all are doing well and safe at our home. So guys, I'm back with the part 2 of the chapter Evolution of Human Being. So this video is going to be very interesting and helpful. At the end of this video, I will be sharing some important set of questions which will be really helpful for you all to understand, as I hope your concept with this chapter will get cleared by the end of the video. Will actually lead you to score well in your exams. So all the very best, and let's start the video. Guys, starting with the short recap. Number 1, we studied about the sources that tell us about the early humans. Number 2, we learnt about the discovery of wheel. Number 3, according to the scientists, hominids were being classified into 3 categories: Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and Homo sapiens. Number 4, then we started with the Stone Age and its division into 4 categories. Number 1, the Paleolithic Age. Number 2, the Mesolithic Age. Number 3, the Neolithic Age. And number 4, the Chalcolithic Age. So guys, with the Paleolithic Age, we learned about the discovery of tools, shelters, cave paintings, and fossils of early human. Number 5, we studied about the life of hunter-gatherer, and within that we came to know that when and how fire was invented. Then came the Mesolithic Age and the arrival of agriculture in this age. Starting with the Neolithic Age or the New Stone Age. In this period, life was much settled from earlier 2 stages, with the practice of agriculture and domestication of animals. The very first earlier crop grown was wheat and millet, improving with the regular supply of food. They also started keeping dogs, sheep, goats, cattle, and poultry, as domestication of animals had several advantages mentioned as follows. So guys, starting with the very first is it provided them a regular supply of meat. Number 2, they could use the skin of animals for covering themselves. Number 3, animal skin was used for making huts. Number 4, later cattle was used for plowing the land. Number 5, animals were used by early humans to protect themselves from the attack of the other ट्राइब. सो गाइस, इस एरा में ही व्हील का इन्वेंशन भी हुआ था, जिससे कि लोगों की लाइफ और भी आसान हुई. अब लोगों को गुड्स ट्रांसपोर्ट आसानी से करने लगे और कई लोग एक एरिया में रहने लगे, जिससे कि विलेजेस फॉर्म होने लगे. सो इन दिस एरा वी सॉ द इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील एंड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ विलेजेस, and life was much easier than the early stage. So guys, अब आते हैं Chalcolithic age पे. तो in this age we saw a transition from the use of stone tools to the use of metals. The very first metal used was copper, cause of which it's also known as Stone Copper Age. गाइज, अब बढ़ते हैं ब्रॉन्ज एज की तरफ. तो ब्रॉन्ज एज की शुरुआत वहाँ से हुई जब लोगों ने कॉपर एंड टिन को मिक्स किया टू मेक ब्रॉन्ज. Now the benefit of making bronze made tools was that the tools of bronze were stronger than the stone tools. Copper and tin की discovery से काफ़ी huge effects आने लगे, which we will see as follows. Number 1, people needed to mine tin and copper. Number 2, this meant that some people had to shift from farming to mining. Number 3, this in turn meant that the farmers had to produce more food. Number 4, more occupations emerged to sustain each other. For example, the potters had to create more pots for storing surplus grain. Therefore, we saw major changes during this period. So guys, these are some set of questions for you. Number 1, define excavation and fossils. Number 2, who are hominids and where were they first found? Number 3, what is archaeology and what work do archaeologists do? Number 4, why is Chalcolithic age also called as the Stone Copper Age? Number 5, in which period did the practice of agriculture and domestication started? Number 6, which part of India holds the largest collection of rock painting? Number 7, in which part of the world people still live the life of a hunter-gatherer even today? With this guys, I would like to end this video right here. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you found this video really helpful, do share with your friends. Do hit the bell icon to stay updated. I'm also providing the link of our Insta handle in the description box, where you can also DM me for any such queries. Also show your love and support there. Until then, stay tuned for more such content. Keep watching Clearing Concepts. Goodbye.